Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to options Excel database. So now I'm just open blank workbook, okay, and this is my old database. Okay, click save. Okay, so guys, now I am just introduce Excel database options. So number one, file I can create new and open external database and save automatically, save as new folder or new locations. Okay, home insert options, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and TeraBox, etc. So save up to TeraBox data. Okay, so now click on home or insert button, and home is just copy paste layout. This is the option name, Sleepboat. Okay, and second front option, so you can Calibri, this is Sleepboat, and font, so Arial black, so you can select any font or import output any font. So this is the font bold option, and italic options, underline, and it's a font size 11, 12, 15, 24. Okay, and it's a text, insert font size, make your text a big logger, and this is font size. Okay, so this is button border, and it's a color, and it's text color. Okay, now third options, alignment, and this is first element, second, third, and others alignment. And number text is general, and number general, no specific format, and currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, function, and scientific or text, and more number formulas. Now click and others options. So guys, I hope enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So goodbye.